Hello friends, today I am going to tell you another Panchatantra story. Today's story is titled The Curious Cup. Once upon a time, a lion used to live with his family in a jungle. The lion was ruling that jungle since a very long time. The lion was very old. In his last days, the lion said to his cub,
"My son, I am offering you some advice today. Always remember this.
Yes, father.
You have been living under my guidance. I have always kept you away from all troubles. However, once I am gone, you will have to look after for yourself. You will find different kind of animals. Always remember that you are strongest amongst them. Never be afraid of anyone except a human."
Human?
Yes, a human. Wish that you never get to confront a human being. Humans are extremely dangerous. Remember this.
After a few days, the lion died. The cub developed a unique mentality for humans. The cub stays in illusion and wished to meet a human being once in its life. Due to its curiosity, the cub went on to find a human being in the jungle. While wandering in the jungle, the cub found a tall animal. It was a horse. The cub presumed the horse as a human being. The cub went to the horse and asked him, "Are you a human being?" On this question, the horse replied,
"No, brother. I am a horse. Humans are very intelligent. They ride on me."
The cub was appalled on hearing the reply of the horse. The cub asked the horse in a surprising manner, "What? Human beings ride on you?"
Yes, indeed.
The cub moved on after listening to the horse. The cub thought, "Human beings must be strong creatures." After traveling for some time, the cub found a camel. On seeing the height of the camel, the cub presumed the camel as a human being. The cub went to the camel and asked, "Listen, are you a human?" The camel at first got scared on seeing the cub, but replied after listening the question,
Nana, I am a camel.
"Have you ever seen a human being?"
Yes, I have. Human beings are extremely intelligent. They use me for work purpose and put weight on me for traveling from one place to another.
The cub thought, "This camel was so tall, yet a human uses it for his own good. A human must be very big and strong." After traveling for some time, the cub found a humongous animal with 2 long teeth. It was an elephant. On seeing the elephant, the cub felt confident that it's a human being. The cub went to the elephant and said, "Are you a human being?" On this statement, the elephant laughed a lot and replied to the cub,
I am an elephant. Human beings are very clever. They compel me to dance in circles by threatening to beat me with a rod.
"What are you saying? Humans force you to dance by threatening to beat you with a rod?"
Yes?
On hearing the elephant, the cub was assured that human beings are dangerous. The cub reached the edge of the jungle. There it noticed a man. The man was cutting woods through a hammer and a sickle. The cub didn't identify who it is. It went to the man and asked, "Have you ever seen a human being?"
What's the need for me to see? I am a human being myself.
The cub was shocked to see the man, as it never thought a human being will be so different than how it imagined. The cub laughingly replied to the man, "Ha ha ha! You are human? I thought human beings are strong and dangerous. I can kill you at this very moment. On seeing the cub approaching towards him, the man used his intellect and said,
Stop! If you think you are stronger than me, then try to remove this sickle from wood.
What's the big deal about this? The cub put one hand in the gap and removed the sickle from the other. As soon as the cub removed the sickle, the gap got closed and its hand got stuck. The cub screamed out loud, "Oh God, it's so painful! Please save me!" The cub realized its mistake and said to the man, "Please forgive me. I have understood that human beings are very intelligent. I promise that I will never confront a human ever again." On listening this, the man removed the cub's hand and it ran away in the jungle.
So kids, from this story, we learn a lesson that we must always follow the advice of our parents.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment. And to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.